The information in this video is provided for informational and educational purposes only. Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of the Morale Monologue. My name is Michael Morale. In today's video, I want to go over some recent clinical trial updates and just give everyone an up-to-date status with regards to the pharmaceutical companies and what clinical trials that they're in. And I'm only going to be covering those pharmaceutical companies that are in stage 2 and stage 3 clinical trials. But I thought that this would be information that you would enjoy seeing. So let's get started. As you know, the SMA community has seen tremendous growth with regards to clinical trials and treatments for those of us who have this debilitating disease. From late 2016 all the way through 2021, 3 treatments were made available to SMA patients, including Spinraza from Biogen Pharmaceuticals, Zolgensma from Avexis Pharmaceuticals, and Evrysdi from Roche and Genentech Pharmaceuticals. Many SMA patients have noticed a decline in activity with regards to new clinical trials and further treatment options. But don't let this slowdown in activity worry you. Pharmaceutical companies throughout the world are still hard at work and have some exciting new developments that they will be announcing and discussing with all of us in the coming months and years. One of the most exciting announcements that we, the SMA community, will see in the coming months will be updates on Scholar Rock's potential treatment known as apitegromab, which will be the first muscle-targeted therapy. This treatment will allow those of us with SMA to build muscle mass and muscle strength due to the lowering of the latent form of myostatin. Myostatin is a growth inhibitor that keeps our bodies from getting stronger, and apitegromab will be used in combination with both Spinraza and Evrysdi. While I've given numerous updates in past videos and podcasts regarding apitegromab, I want to make sure that all of you fully understand the significance of this potential life-changing treatment option. We need to remember that Spinraza and Evrysdi were designed to slow or even stop the progression of our disease, and for the most part, these 2 treatment options have given those of us with SMA more time. By allowing the slowing or stopping of the progression of SMA, this has given those of us with SMA more time, and with more time, we'll see more and more treatment options that will further help us. One of my concerns is that SMA patients will grow frustrated at the lack of activity that seems to be happening. But the one thing that all of us need to remember is that now that pharmaceutical companies see that there are treatments that will slow or stop the progression of our disease, there's been a reshift in the way that these pharmaceutical companies are addressing our disease. I personally believe that pharmaceutical companies are now looking at the options of more muscle-targeted therapies, similar to Scholar Rock's potential treatment. With this in mind, it's going to take a little bit more time, but I do believe over the coming years, we'll see extraordinary growth and improvements in the way that we treat our disease. The image that you're viewing on your screen shows the most recent updated information with regards to treatment options that are available to us now, and those that are also in stage 2 and stage 3 development. Spinraza, Zolgensma, and Evrysdi are already treatment options that are available to those of us with SMA. Scholar Rock's potential treatment, SRK-015, now known as apitegromab, along with Novartis Gene Therapy's AVXS-101, are in stage 3 clinical trials. Cytokinetics treatment, known as CK-212-7107, and Roche and Genentech's treatment, known as GYM-329, are currently in stage 2 clinical trials. I know that cytokinetics treatment will also be looking at a muscle-targeted therapy, which is exciting news. Also, keep in mind that Biogen is currently looking at increasing the dosing amounts of Spinraza, but this clinical trial may take a few more years to complete. Please remember that each clinical trial can take up to a year or longer to complete, but with 2 pharmaceutical companies in stage 3 clinical trials and 2 pharmaceutical companies in stage 2 clinical trials, you can see the progress that these and other pharmaceutical companies are making. Yes, it's going to be a while, and one of the hardest things to do is wait. But let's face it, we waited for years and years for the first approved therapy option for SMA, and now we have 3. While it may seem a long time to wait, I do believe that it's going to be worth waiting for, and I hope you do as well. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you got some information out of it that you can use as well. Remember, talk to your doctors about these clinical trials that I discussed. They may know more information than I do, and the more information that you have, the better off you're going to be. Hey, if you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, and also, please subscribe to the SMA News Today YouTube channel as well. We would greatly appreciate it. Remember, when you do subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. That way you'll be notified of any new videos that we produce. We at SMA News Today hope all of you have had a fantastic week. Do me a favor, this upcoming week, do something for yourself that's going to make you a better person. Until next time, take care of yourself, and I'll talk to you in a couple of weeks. Bye-bye.